This tutorial will explain how you can turn off the AI overview feature when using Google Search. As of the making of this video, this overview will only appear in specific search queries when you are signed into your Google account on Chrome. If you want to keep using Chrome, then the most convenient way to disable the overview is by installing an extension. I included a link to one in the description box. If you don't want to install an extension, then you can search using the incognito window on Chrome. You can also try signing out of your Google account. Keep in mind that if you log out, then you will also be signed out of your other Google-related accounts as well. Instead, I recommend that you use the aforementioned extension or the incognito window. Of course, you can also try using another web browser for your Google searches. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking the like button.